beautiful people. Today is gonna be one of those crazy surf adventures.
It's like 2 minutes away from dying.
Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
We headed off to White Plains Beach. We really love White Plains Beach, especially in the summertime in the South Shore. The waves are kicking. It's such a beginner-friendly, kid-friendly vibe. I really love it. It's one of the best vibes that you can find on an island.
Nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car.
And so the beatings started.
Stuck in between the fins.
Alex was out surfing with everyone else and she fell off her board, and it's kind of, I don't know if you caught that right there, like Alex got stuck in between the fins. The fins were like all around her and she was having a hard time getting the board off her head. And even though that was only like 5 seconds, right? Time that 5 seconds. When you're being held under, 5 seconds is an eternity. It feels terrible. So it really scared her. Was it scary?
Well, I was like 2 minutes away from dying. If that happened to me, I'll be like dead.
Under the board? You did good. You stay strong. You got the board back. Right. Let's go the way it's
You know, of course, following that, Alex wanted to take a break from surfing, so she just played in the shore break. She loves playing in the shore break. This is one of their favorite activities to do.
I got beaten up by a jellyfish.
And this is when she gets hit with a jellyfish.
So what happened, dude? You get stung by a jellyfish? Oh my gosh. Right there, up next to the eye. You're so lucky you didn't get in the eye. Oh man. Okay, we're gonna head home, okay, kid?
And at first, like, Kimberly and I were sitting on the beach together and we're looking over, and Alex just has this funny, like, face, like, almost like something smelled bad.
You get it off.
Did it feel like it was still in your face? It did.
But then she's like, ah, and she came running out. She's like, it stings.
Did it feel like something was on your
I
face?
thought it was still on my face. I didn't feel anything.
Did you feel like it was on your face?
We had vinegar. I went and had Alex just go through into the shower and like rinse off everything. Now, I know people say salt water is better, but I didn't need my kid stung again. Like, let's not have that happen. So we got her rinsed off, and fortunately, we had the vinegar, and then Kimberly had some ice. We threw that on her face to help the swelling because it was starting to swell up. You can't really see it very well in the photos, but it was like all puffy and swollen. And so you could see the sting itself more when we took the ice off later.
Much better than it was.
With 2 beads left.
All right,
Drink water first. Put water in your mouth.
Jeez, look at that face.
Keep the water in your mouth. Swallow it.
It's a poo?
Yeah.
All right, look at me, dude.
You got her
man.
like at a couple places.
Yeah, I got you good.
You did a good job though, Alex.
You're tough.
You got beat up by the ocean today, huh?
No. She got eaten by a jelly.
It wasn't that time of the month for the jellyfish. They were not technically supposed to be there. I checked the calendar once we got home again, and it just wasn't one of those days. But this is the ocean, and they're always there, and it was just unfortunate luck that we had to pick this day.
All right, so this is 2 days after the jellyfish. All right, look at your face. Let me see your face. You got a little bit on you now? Yep. We gotta find that no stingum stuff.
And it's really too bad because the adults, myself included, were having so much fun. We've been going so much the past couple weeks. Like, just this endless parade of amazing family surfing.
You better turn up.
Oh, nosedive.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Come and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my Turn it up. it's time for me to go and burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way. Fell between the foam and stitches. Time to let go, so come what may.
No, my bad. My bad. Whoa, okay. My bad. My bad. My bad. It sounded nicer than it was. Have fun editing this video, Anna. Hey! Rick, make a thing how many times I'm like, my bad, my bad, my bad.
What were you doing that day, Haley?
Playing and making smoothies.
With the sand?
Yeah.
So long, farewell.
I love playing with my friends.
Let's set a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious.
He's got it. He's got it. He's got it.
Now I'll lead it. Easy kiss.
Look at how beautiful this day turned out to be.
I think it's time for me to go. Burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way. Fell between the foam and stitches. Time to let
You go just the boy.
someone make.
Mahalo for watching. I actually did do a rocket rocket.
To have the family out there, to have all the other military families out there. We were having a great time. Like, this is what it's like being stationed in Hawaii. Like, this is as good as it really can be, in my opinion.
Yeah, we were racing. We were racing, me and Haley. Haley was on Deegan, and I was on Bella, and guess what? Haley and Deegan lost, and we won. Not fair. But I'll spare your butt for winning.